Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the TWSBI Precision Mechanical Pencil. And I'm kind of excited to take a look at this one. So let's open this thing up. Alright. I bet there's something that's going to stop me from opening this up easily. So I can share this with y'all. Alright, so there's something there. And there's a sticker here. TWSBI Precision, 0.7 millimeters, matte silver. Alright. So after that, we just pop this thing open and take a look. Ooh, it's a pretty looking pen. Has a good weight to it too. Alright. Zoom in so y'all can take a look. And so I'm assuming this is one of the ones that the tip pops out when you activate when you push out the lead. Oh yeah, that's what we... Okay, so this is the TWSBI. Well, apparently it's TWSBI with a piece of broken lead. There we go. So, TWSBI Precision Mechanical Pencil. And it's 0.7 millimeters. Doesn't write too bad. And I like the no stabbing thing, where the tip, the tip deploys so you can help, not stab yourself. And it's hexagon? Octagon? Has an octagonal barrel. It has some knurling down here. Doesn't feel bad in your hand. It's got a decent weight to it. And you have the eraser. And you have a giant eraser. Oh wow. They aren't messing around with this eraser. Check this out. That is a huge long eraser. Alright. Well, there's that. So let's see if I can get this. The cap is still super thin. I mean, I kind of get it, but I still prefer something a little more substantial when you're dealing with like the caps for these things. So let's see. They give you, in addition to some extra lead, they give you 3 more of those super giant erasers. It's kind of a cool pen. It's not bad. It's pretty comfortable to hand, it's pretty comfortable in hand. That's one thing I gotta figure out. I kind of feel like I should carry a pencil. I just gotta find the right pencil. A pencil that I like. This is a pretty nice one. It feels good in your hand. It's got a good weight. It's not like super heavy, but it feels the right weight, if that makes sense. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like the TWSBI Precision Mechanical Pencil? Is it one of those things that you would recommend? Is there another one I should try? A different mechanical pencil? Let me know in the comments. And I'll include links in the description if you want to check this one out. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.